Run to the bunker now. It's happening.
All units to the bunker now, please.
Welcome everybody to the Dobsonian Power Live! Bam! Here we go again. Here we go with the jet. A rare alignment will occur and we will be in the 22nd of this month of January 2026 between 3i Atlas and the Sun, right on the middle of that freaking jet. Bam! On the middle. So it means that the jet will hit us. What jet, Thiago? What the heck is that of a jet that was since the beginning and still is always pointing towards the Sun? Oh, Thiago, but the jet, it's something small. No, it's massive. It's, at least from the Earth, we estimate a distance from the Earth to the Moon. Bam! But Thiago, 3i Atlas, it's further away from the Moon. So it's not that distance. But it's the visible jet that we see. We don't know what the heck is that jet doing, pointing towards the Sun always. Something the Sun has, something it has, that grabs that jet, or something 3i Atlas has, interesting in the Sun, that is always pointing regardless the position. A needle, a sword, Excalibur!
A freaking spaceship.
Man! Isn't that weird? That needle, massive, pointing towards the Sun always. Always, 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 always. And the 22nd we will be in the middle. Right in front of that jet. In a rare alignment with the solar activity. This is freaking weird. The influence of that jet will be minus and plus 4 days. Bam! And I have a massive telescope to watch it.
Excalibur.
Because if the weather allows, if it's not like today that is fully cloudy, in that period, not only the 22nd, but that period, 3i Atlas will be super bright. Weird things happening again with 3i Atlas.
The freaking spaceship.
But not only that, we'll have more things here today in a live show about extraterrestrial life as usual and the UFO phenomena as well. Crazy stuff, crazy, crazy, crazy stuff. Excalibur. I need to do the animation for Excalibur. Excalibur! But I was working in other stuff in the telescope. It's so cool, man, my telescope now. It's very professional. With fans and things to avoid the dew. You know that the other night, the last night I worked with it, and I had that problem in the members only live stream. It didn't work anymore to 3i Atlas, and I suspect it was the dew. Because the telescope at the end, it was all wet. Really, really, with drops of water. And it's all electronics and it's massive, so the electronics are massive as well. And the weight of it. And the gear is super sensitive to that. And I'm working on it. because I left the telescope pointing to 3i Atlas. Oh, 3i Atlas is gorgeous, but I have to go. I run away, and after 2 hours, more or less, 1 or 2 hours, 2 hours, I believe, I return, and the telescope was like shaking. It was a deal, man. But we will watch it soon. And many more stuff that I have here, crazy, crazy stuff that will happen. But it's a secret right now. So let's start with that. Hope you're having a great day, eh? I was drinking my yerba mate to energize me because of this solar activity that brought me down. Tiredness, you know, the usual. Sleepy, you know, dizziness. But now with yerba mate, a natural stuff, I'm back again on track. Thank you so much, Samuel, for gifting 5 Dobsonian Power memberships. Welcome everyone to the Serenity spaceship, the spaceship of tranquility, of the equilibrium. Also, thank you, Marty Lamartina, for your super sticker. My hero. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Well, rest in peace, and every day people arrive here to this journey with me and you. It's life and the end of it. It's just the end of a journey. It's not the end. It's the end of a journey. Most likely we will go to a better place. The ones that suffer are the ones that stay here, watching the others leave. No? Don't you think that? Do you think that they suffer? No, they suffer while they are, if there's an accident or something weird. Yerba mate from Argentina. It's like a tea, but it's not a tea. It's natural. It energizes me a lot. And it has no bad stuff. Healing. Yerba mate. Here. I thought I had here. I don't have. Yerba mate. Just search on Amazon. But I have one that is very tasty. It's good. And there's it's being sold on Amazon everywhere. Not only here in Europe. By the way, for the ones that don't know and are new here, I'm streaming from here, the south of Europe. Planet Earth, continent Europe, country Portugal, region Algarve, 37 latitude, Bortle 5. Cappy K, welcome to the spaceship. Sit down, relax, and enjoy the journey. That will start now. We'll start now. The freaking jet, man. With the latest post of AV Loeb that mentioned the rare alignment, although he didn't mention what I just mentioned it. It was the fact that we will be at the middle of a rare alignment. Well, this is a scientific perspective of a rare alignment of 3i Atlas with the Sun-Earth axis on the 22nd of January 2026. They made the calculations, he and another scientist, they made a paper as usual. Scientists, it's what they do. They do scientific papers, calculations, to search for evidence of things like this freaking anti-jet that is like a needle pointing towards the sun always. No comment does this, although you know how the quacks work. The shenanigans always say, oh, it's a comet, it's a comet. Shenanigans work now. You have work to do. Here is a proposition from 2 great scientists for you to work over. The alignment, did you notice? Shenanigans. What are you doing? We're drawing from the New Year's Eve. We are on the middle of the month already. Back to work! Now! Shenanigans. Miss Honeybee, thank you for becoming an explorer. Welcome back. Welcome back. 1 year. Happy birthday, Miss Honeybee. We have something I didn't show you the last live stream yesterday, but we have something connecting the bees with extraterrestrial life. Crazy stuff. Scientific stuff. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. And also... Okay. Planetary alignment as well. It's all very, very crazy. Very crazy. Besides, we don't know... Guys, we don't know anything, man. Scientists don't know what the heck we are all doing here, why we are here, where do we go towards. In the Big Bang, it's only a theory, and it's dismantling, it's breaking apart, because James Webb is finding galaxies that doesn't fit with dark matter, another thing that they invent, all things that prove, and it's evidence only of one thing, that we don't know anything about the universe. We are very close, very, very, very close, although they, with their arrogance and ego, they think we are the best of the universe. We are very close to the Galileo and Inquisition times, man, where censorship works and rules and flattering and doing things to the boss that back in time was the church. And the people that really contribute for the evolution of humans are ostracized. We are very much more closer to that than to a modern human being that leveled up in his being and soul. Don't you agree? Or do you think we are the best of the universe? Nobody can stop us. If you're enjoying the show, remember to give it a like to spread it all over the world. False truth? Exactly, man. Exactly. And to give Nobel Prizes to each other. It's like us here now, we give prizes to each other. Medals and things. And all the rest doesn't know anything. No, man. We can give the medals, but consider the others as well. There's many valuable people out there that don't even know us. Yeah. Ascension. Write that. Write that. So, working on science as usual. Navy Loeb doesn't sleep, man. How can he do it? How can he do it being a father and husband and a sportsman and also a scientist and a communicator? He speaks with people, with the people. He doesn't ostracize or reject anyone because you're not, I don't know, a PhD or something. That's beautiful. It shows humility. Los Otaros, thank you for your super shot. Super shot. Hi, if you like yerba mate, try to put some oranges, lemon, or any citrus peel to dry, then you add it to the infusion. That's how we do it. You know, to keep it natural, instead of flavored. Thank you very much for that. It's interesting. I didn't think about that, and actually, mine are flavored with citrus as well. But with my gardening stuff, I will do that. I have something to do now. Thanks for the suggestion. I will do it. I will try it. Maybe a few drops of it. It will be great. Although they claim that it's naturally flavored, so I don't know. But it's a bit soft. It's not strong, the flavor. Thank you, Steph Sweet, for being member for 4 months, a super explorer. Here's the spaceship. You are a super explorer. So we started here putting all in context. He mentioned the velocity relative to the sun that is large on 3i Atlas comparing to the other two objects, Oumuamua and Borisov. He forgot to say something that I think it's relevant, that Oumuamua was faster closer to the sun. I mean, all of 3i Atlas was faster than Oumuamua when it was arriving and departing. But closer to the sun, Oumuamua, I don't know if it's because of its shape or he was accelerating and decelerating, I don't know. And I don't even know how they do this. But it was faster, reaching 90 kilometers per second. So it's very, very fast, near the sun. So it has this characteristic comparing to 3i Atlas. Discord link always expired. Can't log in. Help. Mine probably is not expired. Here, try this one. If it doesn't work, I will update it. Man, I used to have Discord / Dobsonian power, but Discord is Discord. I just have Discord because of the explorers, and it's just for explorers. For several times I talked in closed Discord. I don't know. We'll see. So far, I'll leave it. Lonzo, member for 4 months. Thank you so much for renewing. But thank you, Bill, for the super chat. Does it work, this one? If it doesn't work, I will generate a new one. Man, Mango didn't try Mango Jans. But it energized a lot, man. I was so sleepy today. I was working in the telescope, doing stuff there, building stuff. Now after lunch, and I was very sleepy, and I was thinking, but I slept 8 hours. It's the perfect timing. I didn't need more than that, and I don't. And I still feel sleepy. Probably it was the sun or something. I don't know. But now with the yerba mate, woof, and I'm feeling warm. Does it work? Try it, Bill. Try it and tell me something. And he says what is obvious, that is interstellar objects like 3i Atlas, Oumuamua and Borisov, 2i Borisov, provide unique opportunities for studying materials from other stellar systems. It's obvious. It's the third one only from far away. It's an opportunity, unique opportunity, including extraterrestrial technologies. No? Oh, they don't exist. How do you know? However, Oumuamua did not display traces of gas or dust around it, and Borisov was only observed at phase angles relative to the Sun-Earth axis. What he's saying is that this is even more unique with 3i Atlas because they didn't have the opportunity, neither with the other two interstellar objects, neither with most of regular objects, that to have the object, the Earth, and the Sun behind perfectly aligned. Bam! And this precious object, that is this frigging spaceship, that is 3i Atlas, will do that for us with the additional benefit of having a massive jet like a needle pointing towards the sun. That means now we'll point towards us. We will eclipse that jet towards the sun, basically. It's crazy. Why it's crazy? Because we don't know what the heck is that jet. We don't know what is for. We don't know the composition of it, for sure. They are analyzing it. But we don't know why it's pointing towards the sun. There should be something that we can't see, like electromagnetic fields or something, that put that position. I don't know, like the birds that know the location because of the magnetic fields of the Earth. They are invisible. You don't see lines pointing towards the magnetic fields from the brain of the bird. It's all invisible. No? Like the tail. Like the tail that is invisible. Will it affect us? I don't know. Will it energize us? Will it help the ascension of human beings? Or, by the other hand, will mess it all? Will it enlighten people on Earth to do beautiful things instead of what they are doing? And then he explained the paper, the scientific paper, that points that 3i Atlas will reach an unprecedented near opposition alignment on the 22nd of January at 1:00 p.m. Universal Time. So it will be at my lunchtime. At that rare time, Earth will pass nearly between the Sun and 3i Atlas. That is crazy, man. Let's see it. Let's see it here. Let's see it here. To have an idea. Still expired. I will change it. Don't worry. Hold on. Bill. Nobody will leave the door close to you, man. Don't worry. I'll do it right away, Bill. You are very important. No limit. Never expire. Copy. And now I will change this one. Don't worry, it's quickly. Look. Bam. Saving. There we go. There's the door open again. To any of you explorers that want to join us on Discord. There we go. That one should work. It's a new one. So let's go here. And see on the 22nd. On the 22nd. So we are on the 13th. And here, you see? Can you see it? There we go. The Earth, it's there. The Sun, it's here. The Earth, it's there. The blue dot. And 3i Atlas with this fake tail that they put here. The reality is the opposite. It's a jet pointing towards us. That will be. So we will be on the path of that, whatever it is. Now imagine, because they don't know what is it, man. They don't know. They like to tell they know everything. Because they don't know. Thank you, Stealth Mode, for becoming an explorer. Welcome to the spaceship. They don't know anything about anything, man. They pretend they know, so we listen to beautiful words and oh, what a speech. This person should know many things. Look at their prices and those papers on the wall. Very intelligent. And they are like this, man. So who knows? As nobody knows, we try to imagine, use our curiosity and imagination. As humans, it's a powerful tool that we have. And if this has a jet larger than the distance from the Earth to the Moon, pointing here, if it's always pointing towards the Sun, that means that the Sun has something, or 3 Atlas sees something in the Sun that likes to connect. There's a connection. What? Radio connection? No, probably not. Probably it has to be with magnetic fields and that stuff of the universe, no, of life. To be so precise, during its journey through Atlas. Something that we can see, otherwise we would see more than that jet, we would see the rest of it. But something invisible is there, connecting through Atlas with the Sun. And whatever it is, we'll cross it. We'll cross it. It worked? Good. Thank you as well. Otherwise, I'll be spreading a broken link. Aspirations, higher aspirations. The thing is, Missy Lager, that higher aspirations to us, it's a different thing that higher aspirations to the shenanigans. Their higher aspirations is to have more money and power. Regardless. Oh, but many people were gone. Oh, I don't want to listen. I just want power. My job. Control. Morphed. We'll see, man. What I can tell you, the last time, and it was a mess, that I had that opportunity to point towards 3 Atlas, it was live. I didn't stack because I had to go. And then I made the live stream for members after 2 hours or so, and the telescope was full of water. And didn't work. It didn't work. But when I left the telescope pointing there, without stacking, without anything, just pointing there, it was super bright, man. We could see perfectly the jet live. Crazy, man. Crazy, 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 crazy. Elitist shenanigans. Write that. When consciousness becomes stronger and widely spread. My doctor said, okay. So you see the alignment. And Mercury as well. Mercury as well, here. I leave it like this. Then, what he is studying, Eviloeb, is the fact that when the dust in that jet, which is what we can see, it's the dust. Because the dust, the particles of dust reflect the light, the solar light. That's why we see the dust, that brownish, orangish jet. However, the dust position towards us has a particularity, very interesting for scientists, the ones that like to work, like science. That is, if it is from a side, not in a line, if it's not a line, like today for instance, the particles are slightly off to the solar and to the solar. They are pointing to the sun, but to the earth. So we will see from a side, slightly. So it means that each tiny particle will cast a shadow. And they are billions and trillions of them. So, with the alignment, the shadow will go to the back of it, away from us. That means it will be brighter and will provide information to the instruments, telescopes, large telescopes that we have on Earth that study composition, speed, astrometry, whatever, spectrometry, photometry, quarkometry, everything that they study will be in a privileged position. So it's very important for science. I'm sure that NASA and all those scientists are already, like Aviloid, doing scientific papers about it and anxious to that period that is now almost there to do those studies. And I'm sure it's an interstellar object, very weird, with a unique opportunity. I'm sure they will do a live stream to explain that to us and things like that. I'm sure. So he explains the scientific things, and he says, what I just said, for most of the solar system comets, the opposition, it's called the opposition, that alignment, opposition to the sun, the opposition surge measurements are unavailable or either incomplete because of a large value of the minimum alpha. Well, this is scientific stuff. And he gives the example of Borisov that was never observed because it had more than 16 degrees. Bam! Quacks! Thank you, Chris Green, for your super chat.
Super shot.
Chris Green is in the house. Thank you, Chris Green. The pyramids. We don't know what they are for, or they meant to be. We don't know, man. And he explains that thing with the dust that I summarized for you. And he finished like, here's hoping. Yeah, Avi. Keep hoping. In the shenanigans. Here's hoping that many observers with access to suitable telescopes will take advantage of the extraordinary fortune that we are about to have through the rare alignment of 3i Atlas with the Sun-Earth direction. I will do it. I will do it to the people. Related data can help decipher the nature of the antitail jet of 3i Atlas and solve other anomalies, such as its unprecedented polarization properties. Remember? The negative polarization that it has that they can't explain. They can't explain anything, man. The time passes and they still... nothing. Nothing of nothing. Nothing burger. Nothing burger explaining the anomalies of this unique and rare interstellar object that now will point that freaking jet towards the Earth. Imagine that it has an invisible line. Imagine like electromagnetic line or something. That we can see, but it's connected to the sun. Something invisible to us. That we can see. Not to the universe, but to us. To our limited vision. And has something connected. We'll cross in the middle of it. Will it affect us? Is it strong? Will it mess with the Earth? Will it mess with the Earth heartbeat? We don't know, man. We will experience that. If the weather allows, I will be watching 3i Atlas with you. So, Duck Burger. We don't know if it affected our sun. We just saw yesterday, during the live stream, another object flying near the sun. We didn't see... Actually, it looked like it wasn't hitting the sun. I don't know. We lost it. And nobody knows what was it. And if we see here, this is on the 22nd, no? the time of the... Look, this was in December. The Earth and the Sun. It's not a line, but it was always pointing towards the Sun. They have this away from the Sun, but this is not true. It's a jet pointing towards the Sun with 3 symmetrical jets as well. And then it goes, it goes, it goes, it goes, and there we go. We will cross first on the 22nd. On the 22nd, the alignment, and then this is January, February, March. We will cross the path of it with all the stuff that 3i Atlas released that we don't know what can be there. It's crazy, man. Then it will go near Jupiter to those weird moons there. And we'll see what is going to do. How long until it waddles close to Jupiter? Jupiter will be on the 16 here. This is the closest approach. The 16 of March. So we still have time. But if they will release something to go to Jupiter, it will be previously. It won't be probably right on that approach, because as we do on Earth, to take advantage of the gravity of the massive planets or moons, they do it in advance so it can go through a trajectory that will end there in that closest in the Lagrange points, because it's pointing towards an area of Jupiter. It changed direction to point there during the solar cross. Changed direction through Atlas and accelerated towards that Hill's radio. The Hill radius is something that is not pulling towards Jupiter with gravity, neither towards the Sun. Better saying, it's pulling to both sides and there's an equilibrium there. It's called the Lagrange points, where you can have their probes rolling and taking benefit from the gravity of both objects, the Sun and Jupiter. It's an equilibrium point.
Ascension activated.
Right there, Chani. Have a nice coffee. We'll wait for you. Let me hydrate. If you like this kind of content, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with videos and live streams. Now let's go to the moon. Let's go to the moon because interesting stuff is there. So first, I had here for yesterday live stream. We have this weird event, unprecedented. It's the first time it happens that NASA says targeting International Space Station medical evacuation for January 14. So tomorrow there will be a massive evacuation from the International Space Station of 4 of the astronauts, and they claim that one of them has medical injuries. They didn't specify. So we don't know what is it, and if we believe, it's just one. We don't know. Because they came 4 of them. It's weird. But So it's something, to me, it's weird. And the fact is, it never happened. Medical emergency prompted the crew to return from their mission early. SpaceX, blah blah blah. And splashdown of California for early January 15. Weird, no? The agency said, details of the medical evacuation, the first in ISS history, were not provided by officials. Again, man, when they hide something, it's worse. Maybe they don't want to lie and tell the truth, because the truth can be something very strong. Why? Again, this way of doing things, hiding everything from us, and showing no, and dogmatically imposing what they want us to think. Man, enough is enough. That's obsolete to us. Though they say it didn't result from any kind of injury on board. So it was not an accident like, I don't know, something falling. It can't be. It's on space. It has microgravity there. But I don't know. It was not on board. And that the unidentified crew member is stable and not in need of an emergency evacuation. Not in need, but they will do it. It's weird, man. The way they speak. The way they communicate. Nothing more to say about this, but the doubt. The International Space Station, for the ones that don't know, is set to be decommissioned after 2030. What an interesting year. What an interesting year. 2030. With its orbit gradually lowered until it breaks up in the atmosphere over a remote part of the Pacific Ocean. Call it Point Nemo. You know what is Point Nemo? It's where they put all the trash. It's a weird place on Earth. And it's a place that even most species don't go exactly at that point. For some reason. I don't know why. But if you want to book something, an holidays or something, next holidays maybe, in the moon, you can do it right now. Yeah, it's true. Look, if you want to go to the moon privately, you just have to spend $1 million. This company is taking $1 million reservations for hotel rooms on the moon. I want it. Wealthy adventurers can put down a deposit of 1 million to secure a spot in the first lunar hotel. And here is the hotel. Man, this is from the Minions, no? Gru. You see, very warmed with good lights. The footprints here. If you go for a walk to see the Earth, it's made like pyramids with this stone here and these columns like the Roman Empire. Maybe they are there already and they just have to do the restoration. Maybe they found something and they will do, hey, it's cheaper. We just have to put the doors and things like that and the lights. We can grab already the building. It's strong. This is true, man. Look. When, Tiago? When? Will I be alive? Probably, according to them. 2032. 2032, 2 years after the agenda. It smells like they are building their bunker there. It smells like they are doing that. Don't look up. It's the name, GRU, it's the name of the organization. Galactic Resource Utilization Space. They launched the booking website yesterday. The first hotel on the moon. You see, it's all real here. You can't buy the moon. You can't buy land on planets unless they change the rules. They will change when they benefit them. Look, look, look. It's a restoration, man. For sure. How beautiful. Reading a book, watching the earth. There are 2 buildings. 3. There's an expansion here. Do you wanna go? Citric acid. Only 1 million. I want to go to Pluto. Well, fair enough, it's farther away. Maybe CERN made portals. Maybe. What the heck are they doing there? We don't know. We just know what they show us. The minions. It does look cool, of course it does. Martian Lago. When they are going back to the moon. That's the other thing I have here. Step by step. Step by step. I said to you, we'll go to the moon today. Not with the telescope, but next time will be. Good question. When does NASA moon mission launch and who are the Artemis 2 crew? Well, we know that already for a long time. This is the crew. Could be launched by NASA as soon as the first week of February. I wonder if there's a bet on that. Artemis 2, to see what people think about it. What do you think? Will they delay again? Launch date. Bet. What was the name of that that I showed yesterday about the disclosure? I can't remember the bet. The earliest possible launch date for Artemis 2 mission is February 6. It will occur within a window that extends through April 2026, depending on final testing, weather and technical readiness. This is the problem, because the budget, they got it. The president wants to go to the moon. I think I will be... We will watch it closely with my powerful telescope now. The Excalibur. Look at it, ready to go, man. Now that it even has now a mini PC there, man. It's working flawless. I can connect from here. It will not mess with the live stream. It's crazy. And there's high technology there that I was putting today. No person has set foot on the moon. I never saw it. Except that movie from Hollywood. Maybe the medical emergency is the female is pregnant. First conception on the moon. Why you are laughing, Denise? It can be that. That would explain the secrecy. Oh man, that is fun. Who wins the poker game pays for the moon. Bill, that sentence is not for everyone. It's deep. Thank you for the super chat.
Super shot.
Like that movie where the billionaires bet on the guys that were traveling or something like that. They have so much money, they can print it, can do whatever they want. The mission, which will last about 10 days, could take its astronauts further into space than anyone has been before. It aims to set the stage for an eventual. Look at, they are experts in pushing forward, kicking the ball forward, and saying something that isn't true. It aims, it's pushing forward. It's not, we will, no. We are doing, no. It aims, it's aiming, only aiming. To set the stage, it's another pushing forward. Set the stage. It's not action, it's setting the stage to something in the future. For an eventual, man, I'm not English native, but I know the words, eventual. It's something that is an hypothesis. Eventually it will be sunny today. Eventually it will be clear tonight and I will place a telescope. It's an hypothesis, it's not a real fact. In three words. It says everything. I don't need to read more, but I will read. You know how they work. Eventual human landing, the lie here, on the lunar surface for the first time, another one, since the Apollo missions of the 60s and 70s. And another one. Man, this sentence is gold. It's shenanigans 100%. And the quack goes to BBC with 3 + 3 lies in a sentence. Man, don't you have the filters, the sunglasses with those filters? Oh, shenanigan sunglasses. No. Can't wait to get out of this planet. To where, man? If it was something like 3 Atlas, something good inside, then come with us. To another solar star system. I quacked the code. The sun will come up tomorrow. I will bet on that. When does Artemis 2 launch? 6th of February, it's the minimum. The date A date will not be set until final checks. Final checks, pushing forward. We did a final check and we couldn't launch it. Man, mark my words, this will be the truth. They will delay and delay, delay. This. Not only for the disclosure. Here it can fit as well. This. Man on the moon. The carrot. Shenanigans. And the donkey. Us all. Well. The crew we know already. We don't need to know more about the crew. Cut the crap. Will Artemis 2 land on the moon? Question. They ask. No. This mission is to lay the ground for a lunar landing by astronauts in the Artemis 3 mission in the future. So this mission is to lead the astronaut to go with the astronauts around the moon and come back. And that's it. What they already almost did in the 60s and the 70s. To fly. Not landing there with humans. Imagine that, man. In the 50s, they had all those movies with man. What didn't they do on the moon? Playing chess, or I don't know. But they did everything with a car. Well, not with a motorbike or a motorcycle. They didn't use bicycles as well. But they were with a car, man. Like a transformer car. Working fine. They danced on the moon. They jumped. They put the flag in the 50s. In the 60s. Sorry. 50 years ago. And we can't go there yet. Weird. NASA says to calm down the horses. NASA says the launch of Artemis 3 that will, according to them, land humans on the moon will take place no earlier than 2027. However, experts, I love it, experts, when you see experts, filter on, experts believe, isn't this about science? Believe 2028 is the earliest possible date. Oh, it will be 2028, experts say. Thank God, I hope I'll still be here. It's not far away. 2 years only. 2 years fly, man. Oh, I trust them. I will see them landing on the moon and walking there and going to the hotel. Building the hotel. Oh, my nephews will go to the hotel. I have to find a way to do it. We're lucky if they do it in a long time from now, and people can survive that, and they will use people to work there. Not to... The hotel is for them. Don't look up. It will either be SpaceX, they don't even know this. It will either be SpaceX Starship lander or a craft designed by Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin. Man, two great persons. New spacesuits made by US company Axiom are also not ready. Sorry, you can't go. The spacesuits are not ready yet. We had a problem with the provider. It's in Beijing. After this, after all of this, the aim is to have a sustained human presence on the moon. Oh, thank God, United States. Thank God, NASA. Artemis 4 and 5 will begin building Gateway, a small space station circling the moon. After that, there will be more moon landings, extra sections added to Gateway, and new robotic rovers on the surface. More countries will be involved in keeping people living and working. Mining the moon. They will mine everything in the moon. On and around the moon for longer periods. You will be promoted. You will be on the moon for 5 years to save money on transportation. You will be far away from the Earth, the paradise that is the Earth, because it's for us, and you will be working there with bots, mining the moon, far away from your friends and family. Press conference.
Of a brown color, it becomes almost.
Look at the faces of happiness, enthusiasm after going to the moon. Look at their faces. Look at their faces. The enthusiasm, the happiness. They are like crazy men, jumping, containing themselves not to jump and scream, "We were to the moon!"
In the very hostile appearance of the moon when you're orbiting over it or some distance from it, and the warmer colors and the apparently relatively more friendly appearance of it when you're on the surface. I'd like to ask Colonel Collins if he gets that same impression from the pictures, and the two of you who were on the moon, what impression you have along those lines.
Well, the moon changes character as the angle of sunlight striking its surface changes. At very low sun angles, close to the terminator, at dawn or at dusk.
Were you and Buzz, did you get the feeling you were getting a little low on fuel during the landing? Were you concerned at that point about?
People in many places have speculated on the meaning of this first landing on another body in space. Would each of you give us your estimate of...
Look, the position of the arm. The position of the arms. Scratching the mustache. Look, look, look. Reading the paper. They have a teleprompter here. You know that.
What is the meaning of this to all of us?
Man, this is depressive. This is depressive. This is blowing my yerba mate effect of energizing before the live stream. I have to cut it. I will not show the part where they ask about the stars and one say he didn't remember and another one didn't know. It's depressive, man. I can't be with depressing people. I can't be. Man, the shenanigans with their cringe live stream the other day were more. Well, they were nervous as well. The shenanigans, man. We and the shenanigans, they were silenced for sure, man. 100%. What? We don't know. Is this evidence of what I just said? No, but it's a strong clue. Faces of remorse. What the heck they know? It reminds me you know that thing of UFO, now that we'll talk about UFOs and aliens. That happened in my country, in Portugal, with Fatima appearance, that they say it was aliens, and you know. And there was two young children, 2 girls and 1 boy. And there was 3 secrets that they said they had from back that time, and they revealed 2 of them. We learned that in the school here. And then one of them, Lucy was called, she's gone already, said, I can't say the 3rd secret. And she kept the secret until Pope João Paulo II, where she revealed the secret that was going to, we would have the World War III, and we didn't. She's gone now. And it's like, you know, keeping a secret. Something that the powers back that time told the children, which is an easy thing to do. They convinced them to keep secret and tell that story. Thank you, Spider-Man, for becoming a member. And Flint for bringing 5 new Serenians to the Serenity. Thank you so much. Fatima, yes, Fatima. It's interesting, man. It affects our population here, our culture in this country a lot. You can't imagine. We were there in the school, every school when I was a child. We went there in a bus several times. And the memories I have from that place are weird. It's not something that a child, you know, that smell of candles burning, and it's what I remember. And people selling religious stuff and priests everywhere. And when I saw that they have a path of granite, that stone, a long path of it, a walking thing where the people are there on their knees doing like those promises they made or whatever, bleeding, and it's depressive to me. I don't have and look that we were there several times during my childhood because the schools was something that they did. Now I don't know. Now they don't. At least my children never had that schedule. Why is this blue this is Neptune. This is Neptune. It's from a picture from NASA. I have rolling here. Let me put one of mine. Because this is from, or maybe, well, this one. You liked. The one from European Space Agency. Now, going to the UFO. And extraterrestrial life. Well, I will start the one that by the one that I forgot yesterday about the bees and extraterrestrial life. Otherwise, it might be delayed again. This was 3 Atlas. Can we use bees as a model of intelligent alien life to develop interstellar communication? Sounds promising. And they here have... This is the picture of something that I'm always telling you, talking with you about, because it's the golden plate that we sent on Voyager 1 and 2. Not only that, in 77, when the WOW signal appeared from the direction of 3 Atlas. And Voyager 1 and 2 had this golden plate with information about human beings. The location, draws, music, stuff, poems, ego. Their ego there, flying through space. Pioneer 10 and 11 had the same style of information, but it was a metal plate, not a gold one. This time they wanted to do it in gold. This is true. This is the information that aliens gathered from us or will gather in the future. Because it's there, flying through the universe. It's communication. What does intelligent life look like? And how would aliens communicate, they ask. The possibility of extraterrestrial life is grounded in scientific evidence. But the distances involved in travel between the stars are vast. If we do contact aliens, it would likely be via long-distance communication. With our nearest neighbor star being 4.4 light years away, it means at the speed of light, 300,000 kilometers per second, would take 4 years and 4 months to reach there. Alpha Centauri, it's the star system. The nearest one. It's a bit on south, so I can't see that star from here. It's on the southern hemisphere, but I can see stuff that is close to that star, because I'm on 37 latitude. Pretty much south. Even being optimistic, it would likely take more than 10 years for any round-trip communication. Well, unless we find other ways of communication, like the scientific paper I showed you once here, that claims that using, of course we can't because we are humans, we are limited in technology, but there's a possibility of using pulses of light communicating between different pulsars and things like that, that can make it faster, because although the speed of light is slow, they could communicate in a way that make it faster. I remember to show you this here, and also there are more things that we don't know if they exist, the wormholes or warp speed and things like that. So we should be open-minded, but with what we know, it takes time. How could that work when we have no shared language, like the one in Steven Spielberg? Well, consider how we can engage with creatures here on Earth with minds quite alien to our own. The bees! Thank you, Mr. B, for being member for 3 months. Thank you so much. The bees! I can't wait as well for that day. Quantum entanglement as well. We know very few about quantum mechanics, and we can't fit that in classic physics. So something new will come one of these days. Different. Well, I read a paper today about the that was breaking that down. And they consider that more than gravity, electrical, so electromagnetic force will be something electrical, you know? That will be what attracts and repels, and not gravity and dark matter that doesn't exist. They don't know if that exists. They are always saying it exists, but they never saw it. Slowly, humanity is awakening in 2026. Others will follow. That's a positive one. That one, I like it. Thank you for the super chat.
Super shot.
So what they do with the bees? It's a good idea to compare. Despite the vast differences in human and bee brains, both of us, not me and you, both of us and the bees, can do mathematics. As we argue in a new paper, a new scientific paper published in the journal Leonardo, our thought experiment lends weight to the idea that mathematics may form the basis for a universal language, which might one day be used to communicate between stars. It's another hypothesis. Michikaku liked this, or at least liked in the past. Now he's very weird, working for shenanigans. He's a shenanigan himself now. But I remember in the past he talked about that. My beautiful son Mars has boarded the Serenity. Congratulations and thank you. Let's do the welcome. You are an explorer. Thank you. Vibration and frequency. They talked about that in a paper. They talked about 2.5 gigahertz, something like that, man. I don't know very well about those scientific calculations, but they were classifying. I just read it because I like. They were classifying different frequencies, the Earth and other, you know. That's why I believe that something invisible, frequency or electromagnetic or something, from 3i Atlas to us, or to the sun, better saying, with that jet, that we will cross in the 22nd. So, 9 days. In 9 days. It can be, it can have to be with frequency, vibrations, who knows, man. Everything vibrates. Actually, quantum mechanics has that. At the end, it's all vibrations. The string theory that they have, Michikaku loves, it's about that. It's about those circles that vibrate. No, they never prove it, but so they did a paper about this. Mathematics may form the basis for a universal language, which might one day be used to communicate between the stars. It can be mathematics. It's something very universal. And they talk about that. Galileo Galilei, in the 17th century, described the universe as a grand book written in the language of mathematics. And he was smashed by the quacks. Back that time. Incredible. The movie, they talk about the movie in 1985 and, no, 1997, Contact. It's a great movie, Contact. Extraterrestrials reach out to humans using a repeating sequence of prime numbers sent via radio signal. Man, sci-fi has many things because as it allows humans to explore creativity, because they are on the field of sci-fi, they don't have the shenanigans, because the shenanigans, oh, that's sci-fi. It's already ostracized by nature. It's sci-fi. Oh, it's sci-fi. They can explore the curiosity and imagination, and they are spot on in many things, man. That can be true. Jodie Foster, yeah. And those big... I don't know, man. It's an excellent movie. I love those kind of movies that make me think. In that stuff. It opens a bit more, always, the mind. The Beast. In The Three-Body Problem, another great novel by Liu Cixin. Well, I think is that one is on Netflix. It's a bit violent. Adapted into Netflix, yes, on Netflix. I know. Well, I'm watching sometimes. It's a bit violent. I don't like very much. And a bit politician-driven. Communication between aliens and humans to solve a mathematical problem occurs through a video game. Man, I just remember that scientist being smashed by that party and... You know. It starts the series like that and it's, you know... So mathematics, the 1974 Arecibo radio message beamed out into space consisted of 1,679 zeros and ones. 1 0 1 0 1 0, like the Matrix. Ordered to communicate the numbers 1 to 10 and the atomic numbers of the elements that make up DNA. In 2022, researchers developed a binary language designed to introduce extraterrestrials to human mathematics, chemistry, and biology. We are making efforts to use mathematics because we know that it's universal. And you know that of the sequence and the golden, that phi. It's all mathematics in universe. And the fractals. Fibonacci. Could quantum entanglement be used as a communication? Yeah, we don't know how. Earthling. This is my perspective. I believe that quantum mechanics has the answer to many things in the universe. Because it's subatomic. You know, it's in a way that everything is made of. It's like you see a rock, but you know that it's made of atoms. But you can't see any individual atom. But you know they are there. They don't touch each other. It's crazy. Subatomic level, it's crazy. The ancestors of bees and humans diverged over 600 million years ago. Yet we both possess communication, sociality, and some mathematical ability. Now they are comparing us to the bees. Both honeybees and humans have independently developed effective, but different means of course, we had the aliens doing that, you know, evolution stuff. But different means of communication and cooperation within complex societies. Humans have language. Honeybees evolved the waggle dance, which communicates the location of food sources, including distance, direction, angle from the sun, like 3 Atlas, and quality of the resource. They have all the information with a waggle dance. There we go. The cute little bees. And they explain exactly how they do the dance. Love it. I love honey, man. And bees. Bees could be considered an insectoid alien model that exists right here on Earth. At least for this experiment. Then they made the experiments with the bees, so it's part of the scientific study. And the studies revealed evidence of solving simple addition and subtraction. The bees can do addition and subtraction. Categorizing quantities as odd or even. This is crazy, man. Fibonacci again. Man, everything is connected and the bees are doing it. Bees are so cool. Thank you for the super chat.
Super shot.
Valentin, I know how to communicate with quantum entanglement. Post on Discord. Explain it to us. Because I don't. And ordering quantities of items, including an understanding of zero. They understand zero, the bees. They even demonstrated the ability to link symbols with numbers. It's crazy, man. In a simple version of how humans learn Arabic and Roman numerals, where we associate symbols with numbers. It's crazy, man. Despite the miniature brain, they have demonstrated a capacity to perform mathematics and learn to solve problems with quantities. Like learning to add and subtract 1, which provides a launching pad to more abstract mathematics. Man, if they keep evolving, which they should. If two species considered alien to each other, humans and honeybees, can perform mathematics, along with many other animals, then perhaps mathematics could form the basis of an universal language. This is a comparison that is logic. Because if we think aliens, we always think aliens like something very weird from us, but might be something similar in certain ways. Okay, the planets have different masses, the gravity will be different, might be smaller animals adapted to that space, no? But it can happen that many of life that is spread all over the universe might be similar, because you see similar stuff everywhere. Earth-like planets everywhere, billions, trillions of them. So it might be, some of them might be very similar. So it's something that we should consider. Every single animal or insect might be alien. It can be a planet with bees and not humans. Humans can't live there, but other insects can, for instance. Like those beings that live under the ocean or in, I don't know, in extreme places on Earth. In volcanoes. In those things inside the ocean. On the faults. Under the Antarctica. Well. So it's a natural comparison to consider, it's intelligent to consider that a bee or another being on Earth can exist as alien. And if they understand mathematics, maybe the others can as well. We are all children of God everywhere. If we think like that, the other beings, the other aliens, the 3i Atlas aliens in the freaking spaceship are children of God as well. Stardust, if you prefer. Extremophiles. Everything is terrestrial. We cannot leave the Earth. The Earth's heartbeat is 8.73 Hertz. Human heartbeat is 873 Hertz. If we leave the Earth, we are gone. Well, we'll see. If that's true, the Artemis, it's condemned. We'll see. I'm open-minded. Maybe there's a way to adapt our frequency and retune, fine-tune. So, an interesting study, scientific paper about, there's a link there, but I didn't open, about the bees. They have tech planted in insects' brains, can control them, mind-blowing. Can be? Actually, I was talking with you now and I was thinking in the background, I was thinking, can aliens be on bees or the bees themselves? Like spies here? Because they are so smart. Well, I have more stuff, but I will leave it for tomorrow. I will leave it for tomorrow. I think I will land the spaceship now. Clouds. I wish you a very positive rest of the day. Healthy if possible, with the right frequency. And I will be with you all tomorrow. And the shenanigans as well. Bye bye, thank you. Spy flies.